Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stickers using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app. Now on the bottom of the screen, right beside projects, you can see a small plus sign. Tap on it and select custom size. I'm gonna choose inch from the drop down menu. Then I'll select 10x10 for a perfect square. Now it might take a few seconds now, and on the screen you can see there's a perfect square. Now you have to select elements and look for stickers. I'm gonna make it Valentine themed, so I'm gonna look for stickers on here. I'm gonna select cute stickers, and Canva is gonna suggest few graphics or photos there. Then I'm gonna select which are free, like this flower. Drag it and make it a bit small. Now again, go to elements and search for heart. Select the suggested text and select a heart. Similarly, you can select different other stickers and go ahead and save it through the top right corner where you can see the download button. Make sure you download it as PDF or PNG. And guys, that's it. That's how you create stickers using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.